Nina benkashana kaMenzi eyaphuza umlaza ngameva enhla nasezansi nina bendlondle nophaphe ekhanda sifunda sekusona ke KwaZulu Natal eningizimu Afrika indawo noma ke izwe esikulona le iBlack Live TV impande ezama Africa igama lama King Sichaka ngokaluqa insizwa ke zethu Sichaka sisha emponyelo mfaka amancinza kancane bese idedela intombambi esokena usuka amadoda ngithemba ukuthi abantu ba right ke baphilile yonke into ihamba kahle sibonga kakhulu support nothando enelishare nathi la ku iBlack Live asilike subscribe siqhubeke futhi nokubuka ama-advert wonke aphelele ney'tori zethu siyibuka zonke nje iphelele ukuze izoba nebalance yonke into yethu ihambe kahle siyabonga support enkulu asingene kodabeni lethu esize ngalo namhlanje siza ukuthi isihambeli sethu size ngani ma kwenze njani sabona mama
Yebo njani?
Okahle.
Ngiyaphila.
Hayi siyaphila nathi siyazi ukuthi ke nawe ngomunye labantu abafika la ekhaya bezosixoxela indaba ezinkulu ezingaka kodwa ngizwile ke kuthiwa wena ke uhlukile kwakho nomuzela yakhazimula kodwa ungumculi.
Yebo bhuti ngumculi.
Awusithi fahla ngana kodwa nje qwi. Sengithuleka ngilalela.
Ngicule yini?
Kanti ucabanga.
Hayi khuleka ngizocula mhlambe bengabe
Autotune. Baba manje be autotune. Right, okay, asiqale kodaba lethu size ngalo ukuthi size ngani. Mntakama usivashele ngani namhlanje?
Namhlanje ngizonixoxela ngestory sami ukuthi ngangena kanjani ku-Illuminati. So njengoba ngenza music njena kunzima ko-entertainment nokuthi ube well known na ukuthi ufeza wakho amaphupho so ngangena ku-Illuminati and then one of the guys oku-music who producer introduced me to the secret society ngangena kuyona and then now at first azange bangitshela ukuthi kuzohamba ngigcine ngisacrifice ngomntwana because I have 2 kids and then kwadingeka ukuthi kudingeka igazi lomntanami at that time I was forced ukuthi okay ngizama uncenga but ukuncenga kwami kwaba into nje ephelelayo so njengoba sengizela ku Black Life because ngiyabona lento yangidla umntanami washona oqala right now ufuna ukuthi ngisacrifice ngomntana wami wesibili so impilo yami is very very hard right now angazi ngayichaza kanjani yebo
imvamisa mntakama uxolisa nje ukubuyisela emuva ngoba uyayikhuluma lento imvamisa thina sinokwazi amagama kodwa into exactly singayazi ukuthi iyini into esebenza kanjani makwenze njani mhlawumbe uthatha ubeke omunye ababukeli bethu lapha ekhaya ohlelo ofuna ukwazi ukuthi what is Illuminati?
Okay, Illuminati is satanic kahle kahle ngayibiza kanjalo because it's where you sacrifice with your soul but bagcina sebefuna igazi so speaking of blood ila befuna khona ukuthi ugcine ubulale one of the family members and not just one of the family members kusuke kufuneka umuntu omthandayo kunabo bonke abantu
into operator kanjani operator ngobusuku operator ngemini isebenza kanjani lento le Illuminati
like normally ijwayele ukuthi be esebusuku kahle kahle because that's where usathande ethola khona ama opportunities especially abantu bayathanda nokuthi baye kundleni zotshwala wela bajabulisa khona so that's where akwazi khona ukuthi azingenele bona bonke labo bantu labo but depending ukuthi ngathini ungene kanjani kumuntu yeah
so wena side lakho njengomuntu ke obuya deep kulento oyazi kangcono kunathi sonke la ibisipana kanjani kuwena usipana kanjani ngayo ichumana kanjani lento nomusic wakho lo ufuna ukhuphuke phezulu ikusiza kanjani wenza njani
okay ngangena because ngifuna ifame and also as I did mention ukuthi lento ye-entertainment inzima ukuthi ube popular so ngangena kanjalo I was struggling ngomusic kungenzeke la ngibona kahle ukuthi there's no way forward lana and then I had to ukuthi ngithathe isinyathelo ngomusic
okay thatha thina kusibuyisele back uqala umusic njengentokazi uqala uneminyaka emingaki yini enhle wayibone ngomusic and uqala kwakho umusic inhloso yakho kokuyini
ukuqala kwami music ngizoqala from primary because I was singing lead in a choir and then ngokukhula ke and then I just realized ukuthi you know uhambe esikoleni ufunde college mawubuye college and then imisebenzi ayikho because imisebenzi ayikho And then ngabona ukuthi you know what, since ngiwuthanda vele ekhaya kuyakholwa kakhulu. So ngangenela e-studio. There was omunye umfana nje ngambona esontweni, and then wangi-introduce e-studio sakhe, ngangena kanjalo ku-music.
Now ufika kanjani ekuthenini noma ke sibheka ama-challenges ala uqala khona umculo, then nama-challenges owabona manje njengoba usukulento ye-Illuminate, umehluko between wona yini ekulidele ekutheni ukhethe Illuminate then ukusebenzisa system oyisebenzisa before?
There's a huge difference. Yabo ngalesikhathi leso usaxakekile uyayufisa ukuthi you know what, I'll do anything to get there. But when you're there kunama challenges and sacrifices akhona lapho ukuthi ube right, because ukuba nemali it's something okumele ukuthi uyisacrificeele ukuthi ube nemali. So speaking of sacrifice, akekho umuntu ongavuma ukuthi nje ngingavele ngifelwe ingane just to gain money and fame. So it's something etraumatizayo kahle kahle, of which angeke ukwazi ukuphila nayo, ngeke ukwazi ukuphila ngayo.
Ubani uku-introduce kulento, and mike introduce kulento Illuminate kukhona nosubabonile nabangaphambi kwakho abayisebenzisa abaphumelelayo, bayakhuluma nawe bakutshela ukuthi imigudu yala ithini noma ubona nawe ngoba usufikile?
Yeah, there are people, but one of abantu abangi-introducer usanda kuphuma yona ke khona, because kuyakwazi ukuthi kuphume ukuthi how nami ngikuleyo mgudu lo ukuthi ngifuna kona ukuthi ngiphume.
Akhona amanye ama-artist owaziyo adumile esingebale magama owazi ukuthi akuyona lento
Definitely. Yeah, akhona.
Kusiza kanjani, kwenzakalani kuona njengamanje mangahle nje uthi fahla lapha nalapha?
They're wealthy, banemali. They're driving sport cars, abanye engibaziyo. They have like everything. Yeah, you can have everything, but inkinga iba sekuthaneni wena masusuwedwa endlini. That's where yonke lento yenzeka ibuya, and you have to face it.
So asingene kuweke, wena unani since wajoyina Illuminate?
Okay, so
beside lento ukuthi manje usuwarishekile uyakhala ukuthi bafuna ingane yakho nani unani manje njengamanje yini we-achievile since?
Okay, right now I have cars, nginomuzi, like I have everything, because lezo zinto lezo ngangenazo ngingakangeni Illuminati. So I have lezi zinto lezi because ngangene khona.
So before ubustrugglisha ngama-gig uke washo njani?
Yeah, I was also struggling with gigs. Even abantu ababelalela umculo wami, I was not even famous ngaleyo ndlela, but now yonke into ihamba kahle.
Do you think umculo wakho mnandi noma mhlawumbe usuwenziwa ukuthi uvele uyathakatha ku-Illuminate?
Like I wouldn't say umculo wami mumbi because ngiyawenza ngithi.
Yeah.
So nami ngizibona ngazi ukuthi vele ngiyawenza music, because lento yo music vele idinga ukuthi wazi umuntu opopular ngithi for you to get there. Vele kunzima ukuyiphusha when it comes to ukwenza music ufuna ukuba right empilweni. It just take time. Futhi lezi zinto ze entertainment vele zithatha isikhathi.
Yazi into engenza ngibuza lokho Mtama ukuthi we have abaculi abayinqwaba la ngaphandle bakhipha ingoma now and then kodwa uthi uyayizwa ingoma hayi man, kodwa still mangene stage na kunalento leyo ibuzwayo ubona ukuthi abantu bonke bayahlanya. So nawe yona into oyidinga ukuthi anything wayikhipha nje vele kuhlanyithe kuba umalumekazi wethe.
Yeah, as artists sonke sifisa leyo into leyo ukuthi once you release a song ivele ithi boom ingoma ibe viral nje. And also kwenzela imali phela because umsebenza ngithi. Yeah.
So ngaphandle komntwana akho sedingeka manje yini enyadu yenza before bafuna umntwana?
There's nothing actually. Not to mention umntwana wami ongasacrifice ngayo. Only sacrifices with umntwana wami kuphela.
Wake wasacrifice ngomntwana?
Yeah, because I did mention ukuthi I have 2 kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now
and then I'm only left with so that's what's stressing me, and I want to pull out.
Ukuthi ngeke akuzokhuluma ngegazi and into eziningi. Igazi kanjani?
There is a ritual eyenziwayo uma ngabe uzoqala ngithi. And then uyahamba uyo attenda esontweni la khona. There's a church, there's a Bible, there's everything.
Okay.
And then lapho ke that's where uphuziswa khona igazi. So lelo gazi lela awulazi ukuthi elani. And akufunakala ukuthi wazi ukuthi elani.
Sure. Abantu abathwasayo sisibane nesikhathi ukuthi mhlawumbe uzohlala emzini nomuntu unyaka wonke iminyaka emibili inyanga lapha kule yenu maniqiniswa nikezwa lobuthakathi mhla isikhathi singakanani?
Uya attenda like unesikhathi so attenda ngaso inkonzo yakhona. And then isonto lakhona takes about 4 hours
Yeah.
because there's a Bible ofana ukuthi ulifunde ulazi. Yeah.
Lifana nelesonto nje.
Lifana nelesonto nalo but elanga la lona.
Sure. So asingene enkingeni yakho ke njengamanje ubukwa inyanga lapha ubukwa umthandazo ubukwa isangoma ubukwa inomba umuntu ongaba nosizo angahlavele ngalo usukhala ngani njengamanje?
Engakusho kubabukeli emakhaya is that ungayifisi into ezokunikeza inkinga phambili ungahaleli impilo engcono egcineni uzoba nenkinga. That I can say because njengamanje I'm struggling even to sleep. Angikwazi ukulala.
Lo bebuyile befuna lengane.
Yeah.
What about music wakho career yakho if ungafuni ukwenza lento awusabi ukuthi izogqoma ngeqolo phansi?
I know that. I know ukuthi vele uma ngabe ngiphuma ku-Illuminati yonke into izongiphelela because awukwazi phela ukuthi izinto lezi ade nginazo ngiphinde ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe nazo. Yeah.
Sisoma sibonge isikhathi sakho mhlambe elakho lokugcina kubantu abasha njengawe abaqala umusic ukuthini ukubayala kwakho nokubaxwayisa izintweni abahlangabezana nazo endleleni.
Okay, engakusho kubantu abanamaphupho ukuthi yonke into iqhamuka kaNkulunkulu and uyalinda until into yakho iziphumelele ungafisi impilo engcono ungakafiki kuyona. That I can say.
Sabonga mntama.
Yabonga kakhulu.
Thank you ke ngenza ukuthi siyathemba ukuthi bonke abantu abasibukelile ke bazikwazile ukuthola udaba lwethu esikhuluma ngalo namhlanje. Okubaluleke kakhulu okunye sike sikubheke ukuthi ke simiye kumuntu waxoxa udaba lakhe kodwa lo ngenxa ukuthi nathi sibasha kulento bekufuna simbuzisise sithole ukuthi yini yona yonke lento akhuluma ngayo but asithembe ukuthi mhlambe khona indlela azosizakala ngayo sisi aphume kule Illuminati even though ethi uzophuma engasaphethe lutho kodwa ke esikwazi ekugcineni mayisizakele abantu babuyile emntwini ngenza kwethu asibonga kakhulu igama lami King Sicaka ngaloqa le Black Live TV izimpande zama Africa nisale kahle.